just about every language has something about it that is unnecessarily complicated. There is one thing in English that I really hate teaching: the names of baby animals. There are a lot of languages that do this really easy. They just add a prefix or a suffix to the root word to change it to mean baby whatever. That is not the case in English. So let's talk about some of them today. In this video, we will start with the cute fuzzy ones. First, a baby cat is called a kitten, and a baby dog is called a puppy. If you already knew any of these words, these are probably the two that you knew. So let's make things more interesting. Mammals that have round ears, like tigers, bears, lions, cheetahs, are usually called cubs. Animals that are dog-like, like coyotes or wolves, are called pups. There are some weird exceptions to this one because baby anteaters, armadillos, bats, and gerbils are also called pups. Since foxes are kinda dog-like and kinda cat-like, they can be called either pups or kits. Both of these words are correct. Baby marsupials, which are animals that have a pouch for their babies, like koalas and kangaroos, are called joeys. Last but not least, baby rabbits are called bunnies.